All right, touching base with you on this cordyceps from a few days back, maybe a week. I'm really not sure. Now, for those of you who don't know what the cordyceps fungus is, it's a spore that goes into the host and generally slows down the body. It paralyzes it, locks onto something, and then the plant, which is the fungus, grows through the head or the brain, then produces spores to release more. Now, it was said originally be only on bugs, insects, not transferable to humans. Well, I'm finding other things now. Birds. I hope you can see it. Right, I really don't want to touch it. See that? That's some kind of bird. Judging by where it's at in the open sun, it's been devoured by something else. And that's what's left of it. And you can see I'm breathing in the opposite direction. That you can clearly see it, that something's happened. And there's people walking all around it, they don't even see it. So there you go. And that's what it is. So best way to say it, hiding in plain sight again. It's a beautiful park out here. Check it out. See this? Yeah. See the beauty? Hold on. I'll show you the beast. It's nasty. It is really happening everywhere. How gross is that? Yeah, it smells awful. Anyway. You see all this in the background over there? Yeah. I'm gonna venture further in here. That just smells so awful. People been down here camping out. How dumb is that? Yeah. They don't even know. So I'm trying to put a link together of cordyceps and this Z virus. And I'm pretty sure it's a hybrid. So if it's birds, what's the next thing? It's birds. Small mammals. After that, big mammals. After that, what do you think? Yours truly and everyone that is watching this. That's what it's going to be. Well, I might cut this short because, oh wow. Oh, I thought I seen something. I was going to show you some more proof. But, see all that? Yeah, it's right here in the heart of America. There's literally right down there about 20 yards laying out there. Anybody would have touched it. So, yeah, so the new theory, the new concept is the cordyceps being linked also and added to hemlock. You know what poison hemlock is, right? You put it in water, yeah, you drink it, you die. Now how about that? Cordyceps hemlock theory. Can't make this stuff up. All right. In case you haven't seen what the hemlock looks like, the root looks like a carrot, the leaves look like a carrot, and it's got the little tiny white flowers on it. I don't see any right here at the moment, but I'm gonna keep looking, see if I see any. I'm gonna keep walking, see what's going on down here.
For years. And so they met the neighbor, and they asked the neighbor,
When you identify it, holler and let us know.
My dad is coming.
come on, Dad, tell us what it is.
It's down there in the water.
We're excited.
It's right over there.
On that branch. See it out there?
See it? Jax, come back here. Jax,
Look at this guy.
Jax, come back here.
Yeah.
It's swimming.
See it?
It's swimming in the water. It's swimming. I want to see it.
See that?
In the back.